In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to get the URL of the images you upload in WordPress. Sometimes you may need to get the link of an image to display it in other areas of your website or social media platforms. It can be a hassle to download and then re-upload them, so to get the URL of an image, just go to the image, then right-click on it, and click on View Image. And this right here is the URL of this image. Just copy this and paste it where you want to display this image. If you want to get the URL of an image from the back end of your website, you can do that too. Back in your WordPress dashboard, go to Media, then click on Library. Just click on the image you want to copy the URL of. And then right here, you have the option to copy the image URL. This is how you can copy the URL of an image you uploaded in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.